So here it is. Our first video for YouTube. This was the very first time we decided to randomly set out the day before and head into the Alps, go on an adventure. We didn't know where we'd go exactly. We didn't really know what we were doing either. We hiked a bit. We took some photos with the DSLRs we had on hand. And then we found a lake, a really pretty lake, hidden away from anyone else. It was pretty cold. We enjoyed some fresh mountain water, took in the beautiful reflections, the mountains, the streams, carrying around a pineapple for no particular reason besides the fact that we wanted to eat that pineapple at some point. We even met some sheep, some really nice sheep. This trip made us realize how much there is to be explored if you just get outside and go. It was the trip that started our appetite for adventure and wanting to share our adventures. We're just starting, but I guess you always gotta start somewhere. And on top of a mountain pass on a beautiful sunny day isn't exactly a terrible place.